Welcome at the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about the number of 87s. Them drop on the most wanted, right, and persons of interest list to St. James. Some of the names them put out in the media, JSAF list, 4 of them, but there are others. We're going to talk about 3 main ones. And we're going to talk about what they call Ziggy, because I'm going to be done him already. We talk about you then called Brokan and Tevon Johnson, aka Poppy. Now, before we go into that, my Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Colin, right? Colin Martin. Colin is from St. Kitts and Nevis. Been a member of the Patreon squad now for 2 years. Now, when he first mentioned St. Kitts to me, I thought he was an Irishman who moved to St. Kitts. Turns out, he's just a straight St. Kitts man. Right? He's never even been to Ireland in his entire life. But he's a member of the Patreon squad and a member of the movement. Right? So, we have people from other islands who have never even set foot in Ireland, right, who are part of the movement, because even though they don't live in Ireland, right, they understand because of the same culture. Somebody from Trinidad, somebody from Bahamas, somebody from Barbados, somebody from St. Kitts, somebody from St. Lucia can tune in to any of my videos, and even though they might not know the 87 I talk about, right, the things in my ear, the culture in my ear about, they better see too. Colin, big up yourself. Hope you have a great day. Right. Live long and prosper. See you. More life. I could talk about the 87 them who have a beer problem in St. James. Let me start off with one who we never even see up on the list, but he's currently quote unquote hot again. This youth named Ziggy, Robert Calvert. Remember? Did a video on him? Remember the 87 with a ball? I talk to him woman and him a ball and...
Chantel, please me I beg you, Chantel, tell about me to the talk outside phone. Please me I beg you. Chantel, why we love me over the youth? Please the youth.
Ziggy. Yeah. Problem again. Ziggy's rap sheet. We like one of them old time schools there. Right? You know, one time I used to watch the medieval movies and you see the town crier of a scroll. And when him drop the scroll, you see it go up on the ground and my listener list. That's Ziggy and his numerous crimes. Still, right, a problem in St. James. Matter of fact, as recently as March, right, this year, Ziggy and the security forces in a shootout. Right. He's also been implicated in a murder same March, right, of this year. Same 87s and the same crime over and over again. Them can't take them off the streets. Right. Bearing in mind, Ziggy has been on the security forces radar, right, so coming up close to, right, 10 years, and that's officially named that call, but really start pop up on the radar circa about 2014, 2015 for them time then. Any police can't tell about him. They can't tell which murders he's implicated in. Right. Still up on the road. Now, when him really get hot again was when him recently shoot off at the security forces, so right, we know that guy already. But don't get your hopes up, because it's actually not that uncommon for 87s shoot off a police, get catch, get locked up, right, and then touch by the road same way. Next up, we have a youth where the security forces them well want. Right. Real problem, man. Ocean Francis, aka Brokan. Right. Just like Ziggy, long rap sheet. You can find him all over St. James. You might catch him in the Anchovy and catch him at Mount Salem, wherever him go. Right, whenever him get too hot and need to move on. Right, now, in case you don't know, Mount Salem, right, you'd have to get a Zozo because place it well tense. There are a number of criminal organizations operating within Mount Salem, right, and its surrounding environs. Just to name a few, you have the Junglist, man, you have the Alliance, man, right? You have Pigot Street, pure madness. But Broken, even amongst them wild 87s there, stand out as one of the key violence producers. Now just this month alone, as in May 2023, Broken, right, was implicated in a number of shootings. Right? At least 4 people get shot. Right? All of them tie back to him. And this is on top of the previous murders that he already was a part of. This youth has managed to be very elusive. Right? Every time the security forces draw close to him get to. You have to remember 87s have their own intelligence system, right? Where they get fed intelligence, people pass information to them, right? And tell them, say, alright, them are come. Or not those civilians, they have the residents who tell them what going, so Broken, right? People call them and tell them, say, yo, them are coming now. Right? Sometimes them have a link at the station where they say, yo, we are coming now. One of the problem with carrying out many of these operations, right, is that as matter about JCF operations, is enough time the people who are planning it, right, there's somebody there listening and a part of the planning who then carry on the news back to the 87. So it's been very difficult, right, for them catch him, but it already, as them say, long run, short catch. But Broken is right up there, right, one of the main troublemaker them in St. James. Right? They move from place to place, shooting to shooting, murder to murder. I have to come off of the road. Right? I'm already say, we can start all the programs in the one, but until you can take the 87s off the road, right, there won't be much progress. As they currently set up, right, the laws, right, benefit 87s, right, because they know so not care which charge them pick up. Right? Imagine getting charged for shooting at police, right, and still get bail. If a judge give somebody bail for shooting at police who have gun to and can defend themselves, imagine you. Just think about it. Right? So, go up on the road. Just report every week. I'm telling you all the time, if 87 is willing to shoot after security forces who have gun too, right, then imagine you who only have your phone to call 119. The final one I'm going to talk about is it then called Tevon Johnson, OC Poppy. Now, this is another example of a 87. Just like Ziggy, you have to ask yourself the question, then him still able to get trouble? Just call it a decade of badness and madness. From 2015, this youth I turned up on the radar, the shootings and murders. As a matter of fact, in 2015, him and the police were involved in a major shootout. Known that him still left on the road. Matter of fact, the same 2015, he was implicated in a number of murders. I think there was about 4 murders. There was a lady and about 3 other men. He even get charged at one point. 2017, come and tell him, say, my shoot off a police, carry too much murders, and get charged 2017. People say, see there, then finally catch him. Finally off the streets. No, he's not. Now he's being implicated in the murder of KlLLNG. That was earlier in May 2023. Somebody will turn up on the radar in 2015. Right, for multiple murders and shooting at the security forces. It's still, I get him name called for murders and shootings in 2023. Long rap sheet. When I see the same man them, I commit the same crime them over and over. But don't take my word for it. Next time when I see, senior member of the JCF give a speech when I talk about, who wanted and who a person of interest. Ask them about Tevon Johnson, aka Poppy. Ask them about Ziggy. Ask them about Brokan. Right. Ask them how long them youth are bad. How long them youth are on the radar. How much murders are them attributed to them. How much, and just listen. I'll never see. Right. And I make up things to get views. Almost a decade. Some of these youths, 10 years they are known 87s. Same process over and over. Carry out shootings. They might get picked up at the station. Either nobody will come forward them get Lego, or you see them get bail. Then you hear him report every week, and then him just stop report. 87s who have no problem shooting man, woman, and pet. He's supposedly going to follow some rule about turn up at station every week. Enough 87 don't stop after a while because them realize say, well, how you gonna trap me anyway? Them realize say, you're hoping them turn up at the station. As him touch back the road, his main goal is to target the witness. Because them know once them kill the witness, the case done. I've said this ad nauseum. And I'm going to continue until your favorite leaders get it. We're not supposed to still hear about Ziggy and Papi and KlLLNG and Wormy in 2023. Every name I'm gonna call in this video. Over 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 murders. This is why every year in Ironman, wanna see murders are around 1200, 1300, 1400. We never had a 5,000 year, a 3,000 year, a 6,000 year. The number just hovers around the same figure at the same people from the same gangs fighting the same wars. Even if one dead, him second who in power with still a carry out shooting. Even a gang, no matter how big the gang is, even if 100 of them in the gang, there's only like 10 to 15 who do all the murders. I can't believe Ziggy still a problem in St. James. Anyway, I could see if none of them get catch. And if they don't get catch, I could see none get convicted. Anyway, Patreon squad, be open yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Politricks squad, stay circling. Bless.